This is the most important COP in my eyes since Paris, really, because this is the first time that food and food systems have been absolutely central to the discussions. It kicked off with the Emirates Declaration on Resilient Sustainable Food Systems right at the beginning of the COP, and that was followed up with a call to action from non-state actors, and then subsequently again followed up with an action agenda on regenerative landscapes. So food at last is finally fully central to the COP negotiations. So for us, this is a great opportunity to really drive progress, because we need to accelerate progress in our food systems to get them down to net zero, to protect nature, and above all, really, to make sure we're supporting and enhancing farmer livelihoods. We're here at COP. Climate is absolutely top of the list, and understandably so, given the pressure we're under. Nature is now also very much firmly on the agenda as well, and has been for a few years. You need to address nature if we want to fix climate, but the access point to this is people. And for us particularly, we want to ensure that farmers are resilient, that they are successful in future, and we see one of the ways in which we can address all of these issues in one go is through a transition on regenerative agricultural practices. Practices that take care of nature, that mitigate climate, but also help farmers adapt to a changing climate, and in so doing, ensure resilient, successful farmers for the future. This kind of summit is just incredibly important. I'll tell you why. We can do an awful lot working with the 500,000 and more farmers we trade with directly. We can make an impact there. We can also make an impact working in collaboration with our many large-scale suppliers. But actually what's happening also at this COP is what you might call the peer-to-peer side of things. We want to influence the negotiators to come up with something really progressive, that's why we're here, but also by being part of this summit, we're helping to influence the other actors in the ecosystem to really drive change forward. We need more ambition, and we need more accountability, and we need more companies to step up and join us on this journey together.